So what exactly is ChatGPT? Well, basically, ChatGPT is a type of computer program known as a language model. It understands human language and can generate text just like a person would. This ability lets it perform a range of tasks from business planning to summarizing complex documents, translating languages, and even making creative pieces such as poetry and science fiction novels. But how does it accomplish these tasks? The secret lies in a concept called machine learning. This is a way of teaching a computer to learn from data information, very much like we learn from experience. So ChatGPT has learned from a huge amount of text information taken from the internet. It doesn't really understand what it reads, but it remembers how words and sentences fit together in patterns. So if you start a sentence, it can guess what might come next because it has seen similar sentences before, making it a powerful tool for generating human-like responses. But sometimes it might guess wrong because after all, it's only just guessing based on what it has seen before, not because it truly understands what it's saying. ChatGPT is important because it changes the way we use technology. Think of it as a digital assistant that can help both people and businesses in different ways. It can talk to customers, create articles or blogs, translate different languages, help with scheduling, answer common questions, and even help in teaching. And the best part is that it can work in non-stop all day, and every night. This allows it to handle jobs that are repetitive, which lets people concentrate on more creative tasks and solving more important problems. However, it is important to be aware of some of the challenges that comes with ChatGPT. While it's excellent at generating human-like text, it can sometimes give inaccurate or misleading information. That is because it doesn't understand information like we do. It only recognizes patterns, and there can also be issues related to copyright as it might reproduce text that looks a bit too similar to its training data. But remember, every tool has its strengths and its limitations. And in this course, we will help you navigate its incredible potential, but also handle its limitations responsibly. So in the next lecture already, we are gonna get started and learn how to properly use this amazing tool. See you in the next lecture.